I use mine to have a quick place to connect my Minn Kota trolling motor to my kayak. Pictures show below in the hull and outside kayak. I used battery cable extensions through the hull to a battery up in the bow of the kayak. Very easy mounting. Be careful when tightening them, you could crack the plastic parts. I bought this for a road trip in my car. My results with it have been very good. I keep it set up so it is well ventilated. I need it on long trips. I will say it has worked fine. Nothing heavy duty plugged into it yet. Like the size. Thought it was a good value for the price. Sturdy and well made. No negatives thus far, and I have had it for a bit. Does the job when I need it. I give it a thumbs up. Works great. Used this for camping last weekend. It comes with both a plug for the cigarette lighter and clips for direct connection to a battery terminal. This ended up being handy since our cigarette lighter fuse was blown, so we had a backup way to power it. Quality is good. Has accessible fuses on the back, and the on/off rocker switch is solid. The fan works and it does not put out as much heat as a previous inverter I had. Recommend. Small and compact, easy to take with you on a camping trip. Click link in description for more reviews.